Why?
Okay, all of you audible voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today topic, barriers of communication. Barriers means how to delay of the communication one person to another person. Sometimes no communication to another one person to another person because of why no communication between two persons. Now we will discuss that one. Please give. Okay, here first introduction. If nurse does not give other persons, not giving good communication skill to the patients, because of why not giving like that importance to the patients, that nurses means because of barriers of communication. Barriers means already I don't know communication, environmental problem, cultural, differently they have the some problem. That's a no communication properly to the nurse and patient, otherwise was sender to receiver. Here, along with the above mentioned barriers, following points also interfere to communication process. How to they not have the communication? Now we'll discuss here. Main physiological barriers. See, physiological barriers means in case good communication is there means that time they will easily hearing and vision, expressions, palpitation. This and have to the good communications persons. But here, why delay? Why not have the communication means because of physiological barriers. Why physiological barriers means here first one, difficulty in hearing. In example, see, whenever I am taking class, that time you are listening like a difficulty hearing of the difficulty, that time no communication of the me and yours. Like this here also in communication time, once hearing is a difficulty and vision difficulty, expressions difficulty, palpitation. When palpitation means like observing total whatever, and where there is a sensory deficit, auditory deficit, visual deficits, message will not be conveyed. Or this is whoever having of the anybody difficulty hearing, difficulty vision, difficulty expressions, difficulty palpitation like observing this and all, whoever having of the lack of like and lack of auditory. Auditory means like a hearing, and visual defects means like vision. This and all whoever like that difficulty lack of the problem is that time nobody will not message to the sender to receiver. That is a physiological barriers. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Please keep mute. Second one, psychological barriers. In related psychological barriers, how to know how not have to the communication to the sender to receiver. Here first one, emotional disturbance. Example, any one person deeply thinking and the person will exposing of the emotional disturbance. That time you are going and speaking with that time that person not speaking with yours. Because of that person already disturbance of the emotionally. That time nobody want to speak, and that person also not speaking to anyone. Because of this also one of the no communication, the emotional disturbance like a crisis, any danger time, and anxiety and severe stress time. That time no communication to the particular time. And neurosis. Neurosis means mental illness. Whoever having of the mental illness problem, that time also no communication the psychologically. And level of intelligence. Level of intelligence means whoever have the less poor intelligent power, that people also not communicate to the others. You seen some poor educated people, sir. that can't maintain properly communication. How to speak also they don't know. Like this, they don't have the intelligence also. Whoever not have the intelligence power, that time also communication is a gap. And fear. Example, in case example, whenever you want to ask to this something to any madam, that time in case madam very angry, madam very strict, means that time what happen, you getting fear. I can't go ask to madam. Like that time madam and students also, in between madam and student no communication, because of fear also one of these giving delay of the communication. Whoever have the fear also, that time nobody will maintain the communication. And egocentricity, some people have the ego, means ego character. And superior inferior complex, means some people say, oh, you are a superior, I am a inferior, like that also they will maintain. They can't speak to the proper to the unpersons. Some people have the ego attitude, that also you can't maintain the communication, that situation time. That is a psychological barriers. In related psychological barrier also, delay of the communication. Next, environmental barriers. Environmental barriers. How to deal up the no communication have the environmental means. In case example, directly I am taking any classes, that time no light, no windows, no door, no fan, no ventilation. That time you can't listen properly my class. That is one of the like environmental time also. You can't maintain the proper communication to the anyone. Here, lack of ventilation. Once ventilation lack, example in a hospital, patient staying in the hospital, any one room, that time no ventilation means the patient can't speak to the anyone, because ventilation very lack. That time can't maintain properly good communication to the another persons. This lack of ventilation also delay to the communication. Lack of light, extreme temperature means more body temperature, means total room temperature. Extreme noise, continually noise coming. That time what happened? You were very irritating. That time no communication with the person. Example, you were making continually in class means, that time don't make nice, don't make. So we are telling now, because of I mean that much nice doing. That time anybody madams coming and scolding, don't speak like that. Telling me what happened? That time no communication to students to madam. Here also extreme noise also very delay of the communication. And lack of privacy. Whoever not have the privacy means, some people will think in case of anybody, your friends example, nobody giving privacy means you can't explain to the your problem, you can't maintain communication. That's a whenever lack of privacy also, that time no communication to the between two persons. And congestion means like discomfortably, and very congestly they will think. That time in case very discomfortly, like that whoever had me, that people also you can't maintain communication. Next, last one, cultural barriers. Cultural barriers means, see example I will tell, your cultural very different, my cultural very different. You can't, in case whenever you not following up the my cultural, that time no communication with yours. Once I am not following up your culture, that time like not like a communication. Here cultural barriers also delaying of the communication to the between two persons. Here first one, level of knowledge and understanding. Some people's related know, some people's not have the knowledge how to do the how to maintain the communication. That people's cannot understand to the other feelings also. And personality traits. Personality traits means the personal, they will only think to the personality, means they will only maintaining of the personality. They can't see to the any persons. Means same cultural they're only following up the, otherwise in a one family 5 members, so 4 members only they will maintain cultural habits, one person not maintaining. The time what happened, the 4 members they will delay up the communication to the particular one person. Like that whoever not following up the, and who are not have the, that much of knowledge in the cultural activities and not understanding of the cultural activities, they will may not maintaining properly personality. And any customs like beliefs also not, they can't maintaining a proper related activities of the cultural means, they will also loss of the communication in the particular cultural time. That is a barriers of communication, means how to delay of the communication between two persons. That is a meaning of barriers of communication. Okay, understood?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
congestion meaning. Once again, repeat, please.
What, Raki?
Congestion in
Okay.
environmental fact barriers.
Okay, wait. See, congestion means like a abnormal ma. Means congestion means whatever they will mind totally discomfortly, anxiety, fear, stress, disturbance, this and that they will keep in the brain only. That time they will like abnormally they will maintaining abnormally they have to be some abnormal means like no maintain of the communication they have the abnormal activities. That is a main congestion to delay of the communication between two persons. And one more thing, congestion is that time whoever like the congestion means that time you are asking anything, they can't give the information. Means about whatever they have any problem, that also they don't give to the information because of already they full discomfortly full. That's why that time nobody will give to the any information to the another person. They can't also properly communication like a blocking ma. Congestion means like a blocking, brain blocking. Some people will shock like that. Next, Rocky.
No, ma'am, nothing.
Next, factors affecting communication. See, factors affecting communication here, different factors have. How to they will affecting of the communication related factors. See here, status role, cultural differences, size of communication channels, length of communication, use of language, disabilities, known or unknown receiver, individual perception, atmosphere noise, clarity of message, lack of feedback. These are all factors affecting of communication. Now we will discuss first one, status role. See, status role means like a responsibility. The role means main role, play role. Here, the sender and receiver of a message may be a equal status within a hierarchy. Hierarchy means like a organization. Whoever organization of the particular topic, that time sender to receiver means organized person like a receiver. That sender whatever message sending to the equally, they will only organize of the about particular topic. And they may be at different levels. Means this difference is the status sometimes affect the effectiveness of the communication process. Whenever communication process time, sometimes they have the effects of the effectiveness of because of different status. Means different status means like a different thoughts, ideas, thinking, and this like that so many have to in the particular organization person. That's why that time communication like a differently effective and effectiveness. That is the main status role. See, again I will tell. See, sender and receiver of a message may be equal state within a hierarchy. Organizationally, they will equally means whatever sending message to the sender, that receiving of the receiver equally they will receiving of the particular message. That related message different have to the message in the content. That one only different levelsly status sometimes effective. Sometimes the message will show up the effects and effectiveness of the communication process. Example, emotional. Once that emotionally sending message to the receiver sometimes differently they will show up the effectiveness of the communication process in the like emotionally. Like that, some peoples have to the status role in the factors of effective communication. Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, cultural differences. See, cultural means each, we mean say Andhra cultural different, your cultural different. That time sometimes factors because of related cultural difference also they will affecting of the factors affecting of communication to the all persons. Why means here cultural differences both within a or outside the organization may be impede the communication process. Me, see, some in case I can't follow up the your cultural, yours also can't follow up the my cultural. Like this also sometimes affecting of the communication process. Here, impaired means dilemma, prevent the communication process. Why impaired? I am PDA. Impaired means prevent. Why prevent of the communication process means see your culture very different, our culture very different. That is no communication of both the within and outside also no communication and preventing of the communication process to the particular cultural persons. That is a cultural differences. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, you see that picture. You can that girl is giving shake and hi, but another person like a okay hi like that bending up the head. See that person cultural different, and this person also cultural different. That time no communication. Here giving shake and that by bending head and giving wishes. Like that cultural difference having of the between two persons. That time these two persons no have the communication like a impaired means prevent the communication like a delay communication. That is a cultural differentiation. Next to choice of communication channels. A choice of means so many choice having of the you can maintain a communication like a TV, radio, phone, video call, like the different communication channels have. Like here, before you choose your communication channel, you should ask yourself whether the channel is appropriate for particular purpose. Means before communication, you can choose of the particular channel. Means you want to speak to and otherwise you want to maintain the communication another person means immediately appropriately correctly yourself only you can select of the good channel and particular purpose and the person receiver you have in mind. Whatever example see in case online class ma in case I am taking class in online class means some people can't listen properly but my voice not clear. Once normal phone call I will think okay phone call I will do call I will explain whoever have the doubts that because of why phone call purpose means because of receiver you have in mind whatever have the sender message sender mind message and whatever have the receiver of the message in the mind that only will receiving and will send to the message. That is the purpose of the phone call. Here also means whatever you want to select the channel means appropriately purposefully you can select of the channel you can receive of the you have in mind whatever you have the mind the total you can receive in the channel only. That is a choice of communication channel. Okay, see you see picture you see down mobile and like a speaker live and laptop and mail and messages and typing like this different having if the example you want I want to take class now what I will take now I will take otherwise phone main phone I will take because of in phone only Zoom app that's why I'm selecting of the phone channel. That purpose means I want to take good classes for the students. That's why I'm selecting up the phone only. I will whatever in my mind about topic that only I will explain to the students. That is a good choice of the channel for the mobile. That is a choice of communication of channels. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Length of communication means length sometimes you will affect of the about communication sometimes gap also will come to the between two persons. Why means that length of the message also affect the communication process. See your friends example your friends are any students they're telling hi ma'am how are you ma'am okay enough otherwise they will keep full story type of means for story like that the typing message means some people will get irritated what this message like this like a paragraph like that some people will send. That's why here also message also whatever you want to send to the message to the receiver just don't send to the like a, that much of length like simply examples understandably clearly you can convey the message to the sender like this. Length of the message also affect the communication process. And so full length of message means that also affect into the communication process. That time no communication. And you need to be sure that is a serves the purpose and appropriate for the receiver. Whatever they're sending message of the length means you can surely you can appropriately purposely that message is purposely sending or not. Otherwise there is simply sending like that. You can receiver you can observe to the particular length of message. In case of full length means you don't give to the proper response to the sender. I means related length of message related purposely keeping means okay good communication of the between two persons. Sometimes length of message also will affecting of the communication process. Okay. Oi, students.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only okay, you can resign, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.